Good evening. This is Don Matthews reporting for We the People News. What happens when a court becomes a weapon? When justice is used not to protect the innocent, but to silence the outspoken. Today we confront a case so glaring, so constitutionally offensive, it demands national attention. In May 2017, a restraining order was issued against journalist and activist Matthew Reardon, filed by Robyn and Rhea Tannehill, Oxford's soon-to-be mayor, and her returning husband. The order was granted by Judge Glenn Alderson just days before the local election. But here's the problem. There was no police evidence to justify it. None. A public records request revealed that only 3 police reports involving Reardon exist from that month. May 5th. Reardon was the victim, not the aggressor. A woman named Nikki Pruitt threatened to punch him in the mouth. No threats were made by Reardon. May 13th. The petition falsely claimed Reardon sent threatening texts to a man named Terry Warren. The police report classifies the incident as harassing text messages, not threats. That's a direct contradiction and a critical one. And the third, on May 25th, Reardon lawfully walked near the courthouse, openly carrying a flag and firearms, exercising his constitutional rights. Yet in the petition, the Tannehills claimed numerous people contacted police, saying Reardon was dangerous. But as the record shows, no police report from May 2017 describes Reardon as dangerous. And then there's the threat no one acted on. The one made by Rhea Tannehill himself, as quoted from the Sheriff's Office report on May 30th, 2017. Rhea Tannehill attempted to rush Reardon and yelled that he would bash Reardon's head in. That's not conjecture. That's from a documented police report. Yet no restraining order was filed against Rhea Tannehill. No accountability, just silence. It gets worse. On the day of Robyn Tannehill's mayoral election, Reardon was scheduled to speak at City Hall. According to reports, Rhea informed Judge Alderson of this. What did Alderson do? He extended the restraining order and instructed that Reardon be arrested if he dared to show up to speak. Let me repeat that. A judge preemptively banned a journalist from speaking at City Hall on Election Day. That is the very definition of prior restraint, which the U.S. Supreme Court has called the most serious and the least tolerable infringement on First Amendment rights. New York Times versus United States. As quoted by Reardon, the timing and intent behind this restraining order are now clear. It was never about protecting anyone. It was about silencing me at a critical political moment. Let's be absolutely clear. This is no longer about a local dispute. This is about the misuse of judicial authority to chill speech, suppress dissent, and protect political power. Key falsehoods in the order include the claim that Reardon sent threatening text, proven false by police reports. The claim multiple reports labeled him dangerous, proven false. No such reports exist. Claim the order was needed for protection, but the only documented threat came from Rhea Tannehill. So the real questions now are, did the Tannehills knowingly lie to the court? Did Judge Alderson act under political pressure to suppress a critic? Has Lafayette County engaged in judicial corruption? We may soon find out. This is more than a local scandal. It's a case study in constitutional collapse. For more, visit WTPnews.org. Until next time, stay loud, stay informed, and never back down. I'm Don Matthews. We the People News.